Alright guys, now we're gonna ride the train to Terminal C. Sounds like I can already hear the train arrive. Yep, get a last view of all this music station here. Okay, and now the train's arriving.
You are at Terminal A.
This is gonna be awesome.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal A. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal B.
Nobody in the front car. Wait for the door to open. Yep, here we go. I'll just sit right. Boom. Okay. Now everybody's gone off of the train. Woo! Here we go.
You are at Terminal A.
You know what? I'll just sit over here.
Your next stop will be Terminal B.
Bye-bye, Terminal A. Until next time. But yeah, those are the Montgomery Coney elevators over there too. Instant epicness in the airport. What's up, guys? Yep, I'm like the only person sitting on the train right now. But hey, this train ride is totally awesome. It's kind of cold in here. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Yep, once again guys, we're going to Terminal C to make some videos. Whoa! There's Terminal B right there. I swear it's gonna be if the train gets crowded, guys, we'll just change cars. But I don't think there's there's only a couple of people.
Hold on to the handrail.
Oh
Your next
man,
stop
the train
will be
is
the
shaking
Marriott
like
Hotel.
crazy.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B.
Train needs to
Agarre
chill
la
out with
baranda
that.
de apoyo. Su
Yeah.
próxima parada es el Hotel
Someone's probably gonna get the front car. You know what? We'll just go sit in the middle. We don't want. Oh. Okay. That's funny. What's going on with the train? Oh, never mind. That took a long
You
time.
are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Terminal B over there once again. Now we're going pretty fast. pretty rough. Whoa.
Se encuentra en el Hotel Marriott. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es
Whoa.
la terminal C.
For your safety and the
Okay.
safety of others, the airport luggage carts are
There's the
not
hotel right
allowed
there.
on the subway train system. Please offload your luggage or use the pedestrian tunnel to continue. to
Whoa,
your
looks like the
destination.
middle car is about to get crowded. Whoa, oh. So as you just saw, there was about to be a full house in the back.
Subway.
You are at the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en el Hotel Marriott. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal C.
Yeah, we're arriving at Terminal C right now. Yeah. I think there might be security on. No, never mind. Okay.
You are at Terminal C.
I swear, this is one of the main reasons why this train is just so fun to
Your next
ride.
stop will be Terminal D.
But yeah, here we come to Terminal C, guys.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la terminal D
Oh.
y E.
Oh, dang. This latch from Disclosure. Yep, there goes the train. Adios, train. Yep.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D.
Okay. Let's go ride these escalators up, and then I'll start the video back up, and then I'll stop the video, and then I'll start the video back up, and we'll make a video of the baggage claim. It does smell like rum, and they fixed the escalator here too. That's interesting and awesome. All right, I'm gonna stop the video.